our company, Marine Technical Training, is ready to start in the new facilities in Sour Ranches. We have new advertisement, new signs. Look at this wonderful sign. That sign was designed for Real Marine, the company of my student, Francisco Real. Francisco Real, one of the best students that I have in the last years. Wonderful ABYC Marine certified technician. Okay, he's designing those acrylic signs. They have the machine, the laser to cut it acrylic, to cut it aluminum and other materials. They create those wonderful signs with light in the back. Okay, you are ready to create the sign for your boat, for your company. The only that you need is communicate with them, Real Marine, in Facebook or at this phone number. Visit the website of them and select the sign appropriated for your boat or for your business. They deliver the sign to anywhere. Okay, my friend, good luck.